win! Once again, to our skaters, please avoid the middle area. Alright? Next, are you ready?
Pwede pumasok.
Your cell phone is not ready. Lalak. Lalak ang cellphone.
Power pa.
Alright. Once again, next cosplay as Harley to win.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start from the beginning. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass girl. But that was me. I was the brains behind some of these DJs' great stunts. Not that you let anyone know it. I only had eyes for the oh, I know hard. Like, out of the plane, got a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. Guess all good things have to come to an end. Sorry. We broke up.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much, next, for the wonderful performance, and that ends our cosplay performance.